Why you say I did nothing for you, man? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
Hey my babies, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new wig that I got from UNicehair. But first, as you guys saw, I did go ahead and get a new intro. How are you guys feeling it? Comment down below and let me know. So the wig that I'll be reviewing for you guys today is their 13x4 lace front glossy blonde wig with highlights. And I do like to show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So they do send you a goodie bag. On the inside you have a melt band, some lashes, some stocking caps, and some extra tools that you can use to install your unit. So this is what your wig looks like straight out of the box. As you guys can see, the hairline looks pretty nice and neat. It does look somewhat pre-plucked, but we'll see after I install it. This is what the wig is looking like. It does look very glossy. It has like a very high shine to it. I don't know if I'm too much of a fan of that, but yeah, this is what the wig is looking like on my head. As you guys can see, it's a very beautiful color wig. I'm definitely loving like the different colors that I'm seeing throughout the entire unit. And I also love that it is blonde hair, but the roots are brown. I don't know, I'm not too much of a fan of like blonde hair. I like my hair to be kind of somewhat ombre. So this, I'm really loving the fact that the roots are brown. And although it is a 13x4 lace front wig, you do get some pretty deep parting space. So I was able to part my hair on the side, in the center, like wherever I wanted to. And the parting spaces are pretty deep. First thing that I'm going to do is just go in and hot comb this hair. I want to make sure that it's flat, so once I do install my hair, I don't have any bumps and it's not looking high on my forehead. Then I'm just going in with some foundation and applying this directly to the lace because I do want it to match my skin tone. The lace itself was a little... Then to lay my wig down, I'm using the Ebin Wonder Lace spray and I'm just spraying this directly on the front of the hairline. Also, this is not my usual way of applying my laces. I don't know why I did it like this today. I guess I wanted to try something new. But normally I would spray this spray directly onto my skin before applying my lace into it. But I knew I wasn't going to add any baby hairs to this unit, so I guess that's why I laid it down this way. After the first layer of spray that I applied dried, I then went ahead and cut off all that excess lace. And as you guys can see, there is a harsh white line, but trust the process. Then I went back in with one more layer of that spray and I basically just took my melt band and tied it up for a good, I would say 2 to 5 minutes while I styled the hair. Now I'm just taking some concealer just to highlight my parting space a bit more. It is blonde hair and the roots are darker, so I did need to add some concealer there just to highlight the parting space. Then I'm taking my flat iron and I'm just straightening out the hair. After removing my melt band, now I'm just going in with my contour powder and I'm just applying this like all around the perimeter of my forehead wherever the lace ends. So as you guys can see, I'm just like trying to get it to like blend in with my skin tone. That way the lace is like invisible basically. And then I'm just using some more concealer to bring down that parting space all the way to my forehead because again, I'm not adding any baby hairs to this unit. So by doing this, the hairline just looks very clean as you guys can see. I would definitely recommend plucking this hair a little bit more. Also bleaching your knots if that's what you prefer to do. I usually just prefer to use foundation. But yeah, after I was finished installing my wig, I was like, damn, I probably should have plucked it a little bit. But as you guys can see, this was the result when I was finished. The hair is very sleek and nice. It does have like a really nice shine to it. Also, I did get my hair in a 24 inch. I'm not too sure the density exactly, but I do feel like the ends were a little bit more on the thinner side. I wish the ends were like really full as like how the top area was full and nice. But overall, the hair is pretty soft. It's very silky. I had no issues at all. Also, very minimal shedding. I was shocked because it is blonde hair and I feel like they did really process this hair, but very minimal shedding. I did sleep in this hair overnight. And even when I woke up the next morning and styling the hair, there was very little to no shedding, so I really like that. After styling this hair with the bust down center part, I ended up wanting to try a different style just to see like how it was gonna look. So I ended up doing a side swoop, which I absolutely love. Even doing a side swoop, it was very easy to do. All I had to do was like tuck the hair behind my ears, and yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't use any products on the hair per se. but I did add some baby hairs, as you guys can see in the front there. This is what I'm sectioning off. But yeah, the hair is absolutely beautiful, very soft and silky, as I mentioned. And yeah, the hair color, chef kiss. Like, I really adore and love this color. It's like a perfect summer wig also if you just want to switch up your look, you know, add some color to your life. It's not the blondest wig, but the colors in this unit are just like really pretty. And yeah, this was pretty much the wig when I was finished with it. As I said, you guys, I absolutely love this hair color on me. It suits me so well. It does make my face look, I would say, a little bit more mature. I don't know, blonde hair does that for me. But you know what they say, blondes have more fun, and I was definitely having a lot of fun in this unit. So thank you, UNice, for sponsoring this video. If I do have any additional info, that will be linked down below in the description box. If I do have a coupon code, that will be linked down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning back in. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.